Mount Sinai looms, challenging and majestic. As Moses begins his ascent, the sky darkens, and ominous thunder heralds a divine presence. Jagged lightning illuminates his path, each flash a divine sign. With unwavering resolve, Moses presses on, driven by his sacred mission. The mountain tests his spirit, but his commitment remains unshaken. He ascends towards the heavens, ready to receive God's instructions. Under the relentless sun, the Israelite camp sprawls across the desert, a sea of tents mirroring the people's mounting unease. Driven by collective delusion, they sacrifice their treasures, casting jewelry into a blazing furnace. From the molten chaos, a golden calf emerges, igniting a wave of ecstatic madness. Lost in fervent idolatry, they dance wildly around the idol, faces lit by the flickering firelight. Their revelry escalates, oblivious to the sacred covenant shattering with each beat of their frenzied dance. High atop Mount Sinai, Moses descends, clutching the radiant tablets, a beacon of hope against the stark, unforgiving landscape. The camp of the Israelites comes into view, a scene of wild revelry that shatters the divine promise. Moses halts, his face contorted in a grotesque mask of fury as betrayal pierces his soul. A roar of divine outrage rips through the air as Moses unleashes his wrath upon the sacred stones. With cataclysmic force, the tablets plummet to the earth, shattering into countless pieces, each fragment a testament to shattered faith. The echoes of destruction reverberate across the desolate expanse, a somber requiem for a covenant broken.